Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. Use Smart Away to randomly turn your lights on, off to look like you're home when you're away. Most connected. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Serena Shades and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Smart bridge required. Control your way. Caseta puts the smarts in the switch so you can control your lights your way, the free app, your voice, or from the wall. Schedule lights to change at set times, or activate lighting scenes with the touch of a button. Bridge required. Get more, spend less. One Caseta smart switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart, even your existing bulbs. Get smart control of multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent and halogen bulbs. Smart control of plug-in lamps. Simply plugs into a standard outlet and can be used with up to 2 floor or table lamps. Wireless remote control. Use the included wireless Pico remote to turn your lights on, off or dim and brighten with the touch of a button from anywhere in the home. Easy 3-way setup. Create a 3-way by mounting the Pico to almost any wall surface without cutting holes or pulling wire, with a Pico bracket. Pico WBX Adapt sold separately. Replace existing 3-way switches by mounting the bracket and Pico over the backbox. Technical details. Works with up to 100 watts of dimmable LED light bulbs. CFL light bulbs are 300 watt incandescent, halogen bulbs, not rated for low voltage applications. Top reviews from the United States. I've tried a lot of smart home automation products, and honestly Lutron's Caseta Light of lighting controllers is maybe the only one that I actually like using and installing. It just works. Everything is high quality, the controllers can be installed on the wall or on nice pedestals, the dimming is smooth, the whole thing just feels like luxury instead of like some fiddly broken techno gadget. It's instantaneous and the range is impressive. They say 30 feet, but it works flawlessly over hundreds of feet for me. This particular kit includes a plug-in dimmer and a remote. This only works for plug-in lights, and it's only 2-prong, not other appliances. You wouldn't want to dim a toaster, anyway. There are on, off, up, down controls on the plug adapter as well as on the remote. It's perfect for floor lamps, table lamps, etc. I highly recommend their bridge. If you don't already have one, hook it up to your router and you can use app control, or integrate with Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. I also highly recommend a pedestal for the remote. If you're not wall mounting it, it makes it easy to keep track of and use in place.